In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into both your Monday.com account and your Google account. This is essential because you'll need access to both platforms to complete the integration. Next, let's access the marketplace on Monday.com. On your main screen, look for the puzzle icon in the upper right corner. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu where you can select the Marketplace option. This is where you'll find the integration you need. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar to type in Google Sheets. After you hit Enter, locate the official Google Sheets app and click on the option to install it. Clicking Install is straightforward, but keep in mind that you may need to decide whether to install the app for all workspaces or just a specific one. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your needs. Now it's time to connect your board. Select the specific workspace you want to link and choose the board that you'll be integrating. After you've made those selections, simply click the Add App button and wait a moment for it to load. The next step involves selecting an integration recipe. This is essentially a template that matches your desired workflow. For instance, you might choose to create a new row in Google Sheets whenever a new item is added to your board. Alternatively, you could set it up so that every time a row is added to your Google Sheets, a new item will be created in Monday.com. Select the template that fits your needs best, and you'll be one step closer to completing the integration. After selecting your desired recipe, you will need to authorize your Google account. This process usually involves following the prompts to log into your Google account. Be prepared to grant the necessary permissions for Monday.com to read and write data to your spreadsheets. This is a crucial step that ensures your data can flow seamlessly between the two platforms. Now it's time to map your data. You'll want to select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet that you plan to use for this integration. Mapping is essential as it ensures that the fields in your Monday.com board align correctly with the columns in your Google Sheet. Pay close attention to this step to minimize any errors in data transfer. Once mapping is complete, the final step is to test the sync. To do this, add a sample item or row to either your Monday.com board or Google Sheet, depending on how you've set up the integration. This testing phase allows you to verify that the data flows correctly between both platforms. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the new entry reflected in both places. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets, enhancing your team's collaboration and productivity. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, remember to subscribe for more content like this.